I wanted to give you that you said about martial arts. That's how I ended up writing that book, Black Belt for Life, because I took a black belt test under this guy, and it was grueling, 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 grueling. 16 weeks of torture, plus I had a job and a kid. So it was really tough. And a year later, I had had an anniversary dinner with the other fellow students that passed with me and the black belts who tortured me. Um, we were all sitting around yucking it up about the experience, and I said, I got to write about this. So that was August of 2001. A month later, 9/11 happens, and that's when I said, I better write this book now. Like to me, it just really felt like the timing was, if you ever wanted an inspiration to write, is when you know something like that crazy can happen. So I took life very much more as more precious. So